That is analysis this stock. I entered here and I exited exactly at this candle at the end. But today it had moved 9%. I missed this move. And let us see where did I enter and find the pattern behind my entry and my exit. Let us go to the monthly time frame to see how the stock is performing. If you see this stock after it had broken this, it moved huge, right? After it has gone down and again it has fallen, it has formed the large pattern. Why I am saying it is large pattern, the time duration is very huge. After the breakout, it had moved again a huge move, right? And after again it is found another huge pattern, right? Let us see. This is a monthly close, right? Before I enter, there is only one, two, three, four rejections. Let us see this thing in weekly time frame. While I'm entering in the weekly time frame, I only have three touch points. One, two, three, and it didn't touch. And I find a good support here. Two touch points. And another thing is, if you carefully observe, this is the triangle pattern. One, two, kind of a three, and here the breakout is happened. After the breakout, it had moved up and again came to this trend line. I think it is retesting, so that's why I enter it here. Let me take you to their daily time frame. I have seen this triangle pattern here, here, okay, reversed, 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 and here the breakout is happened, and again it coming down. By observing this week and doji candle and this candle, I enter. Maybe I should wait for this to break out, right? My mistake, I enter early. Maybe I should enter it here. I enter here and I put my stop loss. My initial stop loss is this trend line breakout, and the second stop loss is this. This is huge reversals, right? And what happened? After that, it had broken down, but I didn't exit. The main reason is this swing low didn't cross right, so that's why I didn't exit. After that, it has gone up and again come to this trend line. Again, the market is very bad, so that's why this consolidation. And this time, it had given a breakout by this candle, and this candle I confirms that this triangle pattern is propped out and it is closed strongly. And so that I see in this weekly time frame. Weekly time frame pattern also broke out. If you see in the previous time, after the breakout it had moved heavily, right? So what did I think is okay, it had broken this weekly pattern. I think it will go up. So I waited. But what happened is after the breakout these candles, it is very hard to hold because the market is in downtrend. My stock is in sideways trend and a huge wick at the top, but I didn't exit because this is consolidating, right? How did I find that it is consolidating after this huge move? A good consolidation is required, right? And so that's why these are very small candles, so that's why I didn't exit. But I exit because of this huge red candle and a huge good strong close. Maybe I should see this thing in daily. these two candles, right? These are very hard selling candles. I think it will go down because the reason behind is the market is in downtrend, the market is falling. Maybe I should book the profit and leave the stock. And what happened is after that I exited. Today it has gone up. The another reason behind why I exit is because of this week. Did you see? It get rejected, rejected, rejected. I think this time also it will get rejected. That is my thinking because of this candle. But today it has gone up, and let us see. Let us wait. I think it will. If the market is good, it will go up. And is there any entry for us? No, no. Because if we enter it here, where would we put our stop loss? Maybe this 9% is huge, but there is no trend line supporting, right? For this good stop loss, this trend line would be the stop loss, good stop loss. But to see how much the stop loss is, if we enter it here, it is very huge, right? And I exited because of the market condition and this trend line and this huge resistance at the top. And today what happened? It has gone up. Maybe I should wait by looking at the weekly time frame candles. These candles are huge. These are very small retrace candles. So this is it. This is the small cap stock. That's why these huge candles. Did you see only in 1 hour it had more 9%. So that is why low liquidity it is moving huge. We get high returns and high risk also in these trades. So this is it. How much I made in how many days? Let us see. I entered it here and I exited it here with 12% in 43 days, which is an average kind of a return.